She is flying colorful kite. She is flying colorful kite. He is playing with remote control helicopter. He is playing with remote control helicopter. She is mopping the floor with bucket. She is mopping the floor with bucket. She discovers blooming tulip during gardening. She discovers blooming tulip during gardening. She bathes happy baby splashing water in tub. She bathes happy baby splashing water in tub. She makes sweet cupcakes with mother. She makes sweet cupcakes with mother. He uses smartphone for help. He uses smartphone for help. She is working on laptop. She is working on laptop. She is swinging on swing. She is swinging on swing. He holds juice and milk. He holds juice and milk. She is learning violin. She is learning violin. They are leaping over obstacles. They are leaping over obstacles. She holds umbrella in raining days. She holds umbrella in raining days. She plays with red toy car. She plays with red toy car. He is enjoying autumn with falling leaves. He is enjoying autumn with falling leaves. They ride on the colorful train. They ride on the colorful train. He plays soccer with friend. He plays soccer with friend. He rides a blue scooter. He rides a blue scooter. She is standing near blackboard. She is standing near blackboard. The farmer is holding bucket. The farmer is holding bucket. They are laughing and waving on a merry-go-round. They are laughing and waving on a merry-go-round. She is running where pink cap. She is running where pink cap. She is ready to garden with her shovel. She is ready to garden with her shovel. She displays the number 9. She displays the number 9. He is drawing a colorful picture. He is drawing a colorful picture. She is reading a storybook. She is reading a storybook. They are playing in the park. They are playing in the park. He is washing his hands. He is washing his hands. She is cooking dinner in kitchen. She is cooking dinner in kitchen. He is cleaning his room. He is cleaning his room. They are watching a cartoon together. They are watching a cartoon together. She is tying her hair neatly. She is tying her hair neatly. He is watering the plants. He is watering the plants.